Okay, to all my followers, if there is. So our topic for today is the mod RM. So in order for you to learn the mod RM, you can ask also ChatGPT about this, or you can research what is mod RM. The mod RM byte is essential part of the 86 provide additional addressing register information for many instructions. So module, mod, register or memory, no? So the mod RM, mod, reg opcode and RM. So as you can see, there is a pattern. Remember this pattern. The first two bits is what we call the mod, that is 7 to 6. Okay, so this this 7/6 is equal to this one, the 2 bits. Okay, this 5 and 3 shift arrow. Okay, so been a long time I've been put in live, so I'm reviewing again my Zoom. So okay, so control shift arrow. Okay. So I asked the GPT, can you please explain all that you know about this mod RM? So okay, so here, remember this, the bit, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 2. This is the another, this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this 7 and 6 is what we call the mod. The opcode is equal to 5 to 3, and specify either register or opcode extension, and RM bit 20 specify register or memory. Okay, so that's how you read the code. So remember that. So meaning in the mode field 7 to 6, this is equivalent of 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is a memory addressing without displacement. If it is 0, 0 without displacement. If memory addressing with 8 bit, it should be start with 0, 1. With 0, 2, it should be 1, 0. It should be 1, 1. So that is the mod. The reg opcode naman, this field is interpreted differently depending on the instruction. And the instruction specified is select register AX, CX, DX, no? So if the instruction is move, it says reg opcode or add, so they give you a code. Later on in our example, you can see that, and in RM field, the 20, RM is register or memory, okay. And the SIB byte. SIB byte is the same also. SIB composed of 7 digits. Now let's say the command is move EAX to EBX. Okay, so how they decoded this, how we understand this? The opcode, meaning the command is 88. So that is the command given by the Intel in MOV. How about the EAX? It should be 11 because register direct mode. See? So you have to combine 11, 011 and 000, and this is the code 8BC3. See? Because this is C3. So if you type in your computer MOV AAX EBX, it will run 8811011000. That's how it works. So if we type this one 8BC3, that is equivalent of MOV AX EBX. Okay, 8BC3. Let's try to see if it is true or not. Okay, let's see here. Let's try to see. So from here, as you can see, we're going to edit this one. I click edit. Edit this as a binary edit. EB00, and let's say you want this as C8B 8B83 8BC3. So this is how they decode. Maybe let's try 8B 8BC3. So what is the word generated by 8BC3 is MOV AX to EBX. You see? So meaning, in programming, this is the important thing. You know how to decode and encode the program. And the equivalent of this one is AXBX. You see? That's why the command generated by the mode RM is MOV AX EBX. Okay? That is the one. So that's how you understand all this. And try to, this is how the Intel read, encode and decode their coding. Okay? So I hope you enjoy our lesson in mode RM. And try to, this is how they do it. Okay? So our topic is mode RM. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.